Megan. As you all know, I'm transitioning back to natural hair. But guys, I have a confession. I need to put it out there. Conditioners. Previously, I used to wash my hair, apply the conditioner, rinse it out, style, off I go. Or a wet look. Wash my hair, apply the conditioner, and there I go for the day. But now that I'm caring for my natural hair, I'm confused. Now I hear about deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner. Is there any other type of conditioners that I need to know about? Can somebody please help me out? I am so confused.
Megan, don't stress. I've got you, boo. Guys, Megan's not alone. We've all been in that situation where you just feel so confused about conditioning. But don't stress. We've got a 3-part series that's going to teach you everything you need to know. Welcome to part 1. What is conditioner? It's basically what you use to replenish the moisture in your hair. It's a moisturizing agent, and it's basically the holy grail to good hair care. It's the most important part. So, there's 3 types of conditioners. 1, a rinse out. 2, deep conditioner. And 3, a leave-in. Let's break down rinse out conditioners. A rinse out conditioner is used on wash day, and it treats the outside layer of your hair by smoothing it, because shampoo removes some of that moisture. So a rinse out will just fill out those gaps, like filling a hole with cement. It fills all those little gaps in your hair with moisture. And you usually leave it on for about 5 minutes, not more than that, and then you rinse it all out. Number 2, a deep conditioner. This is what's used to condition your hair on a deeper level. It is rich in nutrients, and you usually leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on what your product says. So just read the product and see how long you're supposed to leave it in for, and then rinse it all out when you're done. The 3rd type of conditioner is a leave-in conditioner. And this is what you use after you've washed your hair. It stays in your hair, and it's the first step to the LOC or the LCO method. So it's that first step to moisturizing your hair after you've washed it. So naturals, how often should you use these conditioners? Well, to begin with, a rinse out conditioner, you don't need to use it every time, but if your hair is very dry and brittle, then you can use it every time you wash your hair. The second one is a deep conditioner. I think you should use a deep conditioner every single time you wash your hair, because you want to get that juiciness back into your hair every single time you wash it. And then the third one is a leave-in conditioner. You would also use this every time you moisturize. What I like to do is mix my leave-in conditioner with a bit of water, and I just spray it on my hair to freshen up those curls, get some moisture in, and then I'm good to go. So, why should you condition your hair, and what are the benefits? Well, to begin with, it coats your hair with a protective layer, so your hair is always protected against the elements. It also moisturizes your hair. It smooths it out. It helps to detangle it. It also helps to reduce breakage and split ends. It's basically the holy grail to keeping your hair fresh, healthy, looking good. So that's why you should condition. Megan, I really hope that was helpful. Ladies, naturals out there, if you have any other tips on conditioning, post them below. Stay tuned for our next episode, where the girls will be taking you through how to use each of these conditioners in their wash day. Bye for now.